What's up, my chickens? So, Circuit Vlog 5, more VCA stuff. Today I'm thinking I want to get into doing stuff on KiCAD, which I'm intermediate with right now because I was focused on Autodesk Eagle for all my PCB circuit design stuff, but they are shutting that down, so I got to switch to KiCAD. Which is cooler anyway because it's open source. I want to just set up a preset so that if I want to do Eurorack circuits, I can just load up this preset and it will have the power header and power filtering already done, because that's basically the same on every circuit unless there's some weird power draw, which I don't normally use components that do that, so I can just use the same thing for that. And then also have like the outline of a circuit board that would fit, like, I think I'm gonna go with an 8 HP, just because that'll be easy to adjust, obviously, and 8 HP is probably around the size that I would shoot for most of these VCA based circuits that I'm thinking about. Yeah, so I think I will probably have to make an SSM 2164 library part for KiCAD, which I've done before. I've made libraries for KiCAD, but I find the process exceedingly tedious. So I'm gonna Google a lot of stuff and hope to find just something I can download so I don't have to deal with that. And then the other thing is the linearization of those circuits. We talked a little bit about that in the last circuit vlog, where there are a lot of examples of people using one of the VCAs on the SSM 2164 chip in a feedback loop with an op amp, and you use that to linearize the CV of a second VCA. And that's my biggest question right now, is what method, because I saw there's a lot of variations on that online, and which variation is the most accurate, or at least accurate enough that I don't feel like I need to improve it more. So that's my mission today. I don't have an infinite amount of time, but I got like 3 hours before I gotta teach, so let's see what we can get done. Woo! Well, KiCAD is already being a pain in the butt. I just finished the schematic for the preset thing, went to make the PCB just for the power filtering stuff, and it won't let me open the schematic anymore because it says it was made in a version of KiCAD from the future that is not compatible with the version that I'm using, which, by the way, is the version that I made that file in. So I've just had so many weird issues with KiCAD. I'm going to do a full uninstall, reinstall. Hope this is interesting for you. Steve Reich is helping me, though. He's great. Woo! Did it. Reinstalled KiCAD. Set up my my libraries again. I got a cool library from 4MS. Which is really nice. They make Eurorack circuits for people that don't know. Yeah, and I guess doesn't seem like their whole library, couldn't be, but a lot of parts from them, which is nice. And I'm not going to show you all that work I did because this is not a tutorial. You know, I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, so don't use this as a reference. Not that anybody is. Not that anybody's watching this. Anyway, it seems like it's working, so I'm gonna make that preset again. Hopefully it's safe. All right, it's not much. There it is. We got the through hole version You know, get your Euro header and the filtering caps, and we got minus and plus voltage and the ground plane in the middle. Ready for fun stuff. I did a SMD version, surface mount as well, but it's the same thing, so I'm not going to show you. It looks like that, but with surface mount, you know. Okay, so with those presets done, next I got to get the SSM 2164 or its equivalent as a KiCAD library. But I think I got to work out and take a shower before I teach. So I'm going to do that. And then hopefully we'll come back and do that library thing. I'm looking forward to it so little that I'd rather do push-ups as procrastination. So, you know, that tells you enough, I think. Here we go. Okay, did a million push-ups, had some lunch. Now we get to do KiCAD libraries. Yeah. But I did find the library component that I needed in a 4MS folder. 4MS is a Eurorack synthesizer manufacturer, if you don't know. And I found somewhere on the internet I could download. They have a bunch of KiCAD libraries. And it's a pretty good chunk of components that aren't in the standard KiCAD library. So that was helpful. It had the SSM 2164 in it, crucially. So yeah, use that library to make this schematic, which is straight off the data sheet. Bye-bye. I haven't done the input and output jacks. I think I just got to put a 1K output impedance on here and then adjust this stuff. I might put some buffers on the input, but I don't know if they're necessary. I don't know enough about this chip, so that's maybe for next time. But anyway, my plan is to work off of this schematic so that I can make changes to it live as I breadboard and modify as we go, you know? And then by the time I'm done changing stuff around and experimenting, the schematic will be done already because I follow along, you know? It's nice. Another mod I'll definitely do is right here. This is for the control voltage, so we got to have some kind of input there. But that's simple. Just basically put it, like, get a little mixing node with this potentiometer here, along with your inputted CV. Nice and easy. And then, yeah, output. I think I already said that. That's it. Enough of this. Yeah, but it's getting late. I've had enough for the day. I don't know if you can tell my voice is tired from teaching, from talking so much and thinking about circuits and stuff, so I'm done. Tune in next week, and we'll finish this schematic and maybe put it on the breadboard finally. Bye. Like and subscribe. I don't think I said that. You have to like and subscribe. Whatever. Click on the thing, would you?